Getting a little rain. A little roll in the hay. What do you think? What do you think? How's my boy? How'd you sleep? You sleep good? We had breakfast and a little rain shower. No fighting. You guys both have my affection. You don't have to fight for it. Good boys. So we got a lot of poop. Checking on their poop. A lot of piles. That means everybody's eating. Everybody's going to the bathroom. That's good. We got more rain coming. I know. Love you, buddy. Yeah, I do. You're such a good donkey. Who's my Eddie? You see the horses over there? Alright. His ears. We gotta brush you today. I'll brush you later once you're done getting a little wet. If you roll around, I know you like to.